Hey guys, it's Adya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon. And this video is going to be quite different from the earlier ones because in this video, as you must have already read the title, I'm going to recreate my childhood pictures and I'm really excited for that. And you must have seen the videos on YouTube because other people have already done that type of videos, but I really wanted to try that. And I was a little confused when I was choosing pictures because I don't have many childhood pictures, but I had to work with whatever I had. And I had to keep in mind that the location is right or I have similar clothes and all of these things. So I've chosen 3 pictures that I'm going to recreate today and you'll see the whole process. I am really excited and I hope you are excited to see that as well. And Nishant here is going to help me shoot the pictures and I'm just really excited. So let's begin. Okay, so the first picture that we're going to recreate is right here, and as you can see the location is quite similar, like it's obviously the same because it's my parents' bedroom and I live in the same house. For the outfit part, I'm wearing an orange one piece and I think it's quite similar to the one that I'm wearing in the picture, so I think it should work. And as you can see right here, we've set a few little things that are in the picture and we can't do the exact replication, but we've just tried, so I think it should work. And I'm just going to keep the camera in one place and record the whole thing, and Nishant is going to click a picture, so let's go. How to say it like this?
See, see, basically lift up your dress from the back and you make like a circle.
Okay.
Yeah, the picture will come, don't worry.
Okay, I'm keeping this here for my reference.
Yeah, cool. Hi, your legs are perfect.
Oh my god.
तस्साच्या तस्सा आलाय ना?
Almost. Can you click a few more?
Because हे बघ, तसंच घेतलंय मी.
Yeah, my expression, like my head is completely here, so I'll do that.
Sure.
I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but I think this is it. Wait, show. My legs are
Same.
in literal same position.
Nailed it.
The switchboard has more switches now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
This is amazing.
Yay! We've done the first one.
And it's pretty similar. It's oh shit. I can't wait for Kaku's reaction on this.
I swear.
Our mom's reaction is gonna be gold.
Yeah. Okay, so the first picture turned out pretty good and we're moving on to the next picture that we're going to recreate. This is the picture that we're going to recreate right now, and as you can see, I've already changed. I'm wearing a blue ghagra and I didn't have a similar top, so I'm just wearing a red t-shirt, and I have this dupatta that my mom wears and it's pretty similar to the one I'm wearing in my childhood. And the funny part is I actually still have the sofa covers, like these are the only 2 pieces that I've left and we're going to use that for the picture. I think it'll look good and I think it'll look similar. And Nishant is literally sitting right here because he's found the perfect angle for the picture.
I'm not moving now.
So yeah, I think the photo should work and I'll see you. Okay, so I just noticed that I'm wearing a necklace and a bindi in that picture, so I wore that for the picture, and this is the matka I'm going to hold. I'm holding a proper matka in that picture, but I don't have anything right now. And this is literally an achar ka, you know, kanch ka thing. So
Do you mean achar ka jar?
let's call it achar ka jar, as Nishant quotes it. So yay, and my expression in that is this.
Check it out once.
Let's see. My expression. I think this is it.
Alright.
I think we've got the
6
picture.
part 2.
Now the struggle is this. Yeah. This right here. It's so hot.
This is exactly like that one boy you avoid, and no matter what, he keeps sticking on. Le jaye jane ka hamare.
See, it happened again.
I'm telling
See,
you. I'm
it's
telling you.
literally picking up. Look, Hazra. Oh my god, can you stop? So after recreating 2 pictures, we're moving on to the third one, and it's right here. And I'm just wearing an outfit similar to that. I'm wearing a blue full sleeve and white leggings, and this full sleeve is Nishant's because I didn't have anything. And I'm sitting on a table, so I'm really afraid to do that. And the only table I can sit on in my house is my dining table. So we're going to take this shot in my kitchen. So let's see how that goes. And I've kind of decorated the whole table just like it was in the picture, and I'm really scared to sit on the table. I just hope it doesn't break. So let's go.
Check how you are.
I don't fit on this table.
Of course you can't. Yeah.
Yeah?
And the watch like that. Ulta. Yes. But here. Yeah. Perfect.
And where am I looking? In the camera or straight?
Straight. Oh my god, this is amazing.
I think this one's good. So all the photos have been recreated, and I'm just going to play the montage and show you once again. So have a look. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, because it's not easy to, you know, just recreate your pictures, especially your childhood photos, when you didn't have a proper camera. The costume has to be good, the location has to be good, and I just hope that we could pull this off at least a little. And I'm just glad that we attempted to do this. And if you like the pictures, then please do let me know in the comments below. And if you think they were accurate, then also do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a huge like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.